Hey, what is up guys? Andy with a YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with your YouTube channel, but it's not the standard way through YouTube, like how you get the views get paid per thousand and all that mess. This way is a lot more simpler, and it actually makes a lot more money for YouTubers nowadays. Because it offers a whole lot more money and it's not dealing with the whole per thousand views or any of that mess. But basically in this video I'm going to be showing you a website, a very nice website called FameBit. And basically what FameBit is, it's a website for creators and brands, and basically brands come to this website and they say I need help, I need to get my brand, I need to get my product out to the public. And so they put their products up on this website and they offer a certain amount of money, X amount of money, and YouTubers come to them and they send a proposal into these companies, and these companies will approve these YouTubers and pay those YouTubers money just to advertise their brand. So what I've done is I've left a link in the description below. It's a referral link through me, that way you'll know that way they know you came from me. So when you just click on that one down below and join from there. But basically you'll come to this website and it looks a little crazier, I know, but click on join and you are a creator. So you want to click creator there, and basically what you want to do is you want to choose whether you want to sign up from YouTube, if you're popular on YouTube, if you're popular on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, Vine, or even Facebook. So basically this has a wide variety. It's not just from YouTube. You can actually make money using your Instagram, your Tumblr, your Twitter, your Vine, and your Facebook all the same way. Of course, I've already got a account set up on here, so I'm just going to go in through mine. If I can type. Well. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, and basically once you've logged in and everything, you're going to come up to all these different products and all this mess. Well, basically how I filter it down a lot is I go for my channel, and I'm most popular on my YouTube, so I select my YouTube channel. So if you are popular on YouTube, you want to select YouTube. If you're popular on Instagram, select Instagram. But I'm most popular on YouTube, so I select YouTube, and then I filter by category and say I want to do tech products, okay? And the prices. If you're a smaller YouTuber, so I'd say under 10,000 subscribers, under 1,000 subscribers, anywhere in those ranges. And that's another thing. There's not a limit on your amount of subscribers, though the bigger brands go up to the people with the more subscribers. You don't necessarily have to have a certain amount of subscribers. You just need to have a good amount. Like, you just need to be able to bring in traffic for them. That's why they're paying you money. They pay you money because they know that you're going to bring in traffic on their product or their app, whatever they've got going. So basically, the ones that pay the most would usually be the ones pay the most often, accept a proposal the most, would be the $100 to $250. And you selected, this is just the lowest range they can get. And see, like, basically for here, there is a spider case for the iPhone 7 and the Galaxy Note 7. You just click on this one, for example. This company needs a review and an unboxing view for our case. It must have our Amazon URL. It should be 5 to 10 minutes and describe the product's features and description. And just for that right there, you can earn anywhere between $100 and $250 for making a simple 5 to 10 minute video. $100 right there, if you had a $1 RPM, $1, that means you have to have 100,000 views just to get $100 on YouTube through the actual way. So this earns you money a whole lot faster, and it's a lot better. It's a lot more income. It brings a lot more income than the actual YouTube revenue does, and it's a nice way to get that extra money if you're trying to do YouTube, or you're trying to be popular on Instagram or YouTube, whatever you want to do. But this is a really popular website. A lot of big YouTubers use this. It's like, we'll just go even higher. YouTube, let's do the 10,000 tech. Oh, there's not even any 10,000. Let's just do all categories 10,000. Okay, so look, there's a Mobile Strike. They're paying over $10,000 and up just to make an exciting trailer for Mobile Strike. So join Arnold Schwarzenegger in promoting the hottest new military strategy game, Military Strike. And they're looking for YouTubers to create unique content themed to Mobile Strike. And they just want basic animations, all that kind of stuff. And for that, they pay you up to $10,000. $10,000. That's a lot of freaking money. And just for making YouTube videos, that is a big deal. And they have all, besides just having those sponsorships, they even have collaborations where you can collaborate with people. So if I want to collaborate with someone with YouTube, I go through here and then say I want them the 25 to 50K range. These are the guys, these are the people that are ranged from 25 to 50 on YouTube that have this same amount of subscribers range. So, and these people, like this guy, Project, yeah, okay, that's not a good example. See, this guy wants to do skits, rants, vlogs, rants, and food challenges. And basically, if I want to collaborate with him, I'd send a proposal. That's another thing. I'll just go back to the sponsorships. Say I want a $10,000 sponsorship or proposal. I'd click on send proposal. I'd say my fee, and if I really want them to accept me, I'd say like even lower than 10,000. So I'd say, you know, 8,500. I'm not gonna really apply for this one because it's beyond this world. I'm not really too great with effects, anyways. But and then I select my delivery date, so I'd say the 29th or the 15th is the last day they want it. Okay, and then I describe why I want them, why I am going to benefit them, how I will bring them the most audience and the most traffic, and why I am worth paying $8,500 for to be able to advertise their company. So you really have to really put some time into your proposal. Definitely, if the money is higher, you want to definitely take more time on the proposal, because those really mean a lot, whether or not the company wants to accept you or not. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I really hope this video helped you out. This is what I use to make a lot of money on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to share this video with you guys, share this, this information with you guys on how I know a lot of you guys want to be YouTubers out there and want to, like get some credit for this. And so making money from FameBit is a really nice way to be able to make money with YouTube without having to do it through the whole viewing system. So I've left a link in the description below, the referral link from me. That way, whenever you click on it and register through that, they'll be able to know that you came from me, and it'll just help everything out. I think you get some benefits with it if you came from me too. So just go ahead and click on that down in the description below, and then register through there. And once you do that, I think you get like referral points. That's another thing. Once you get points on here, you get points, right? And for every time you do a review. And so like, if I say this sponsorship right here, or yeah, okay. So say I did a sponsorship about this touchscreen fitness wearable, and they paid me $250 for it. I get 250 points. So as you can see, I already have 100 points right here. I've already spent some, but I have 100 points right now. Well, say I did that 250 points, I'd get 350. I'd have 350 points, and you actually have to acquire a little more than 350 points to actually get something. The lowest you can get is 1,000 points. So basically, you have to make $1,000 on here to get this, but it's easier than you seem. I've already used it before to spend on this right here, the Audio Technica lapel mic. But you can, there's all kinds of things on here, and as you do more reviews and as you get more points, you're actually able to get some pretty nice things up here. I think you can get this iMac down here, 27-inch iMac, I believe. Yeah, 27-inch iMac for 180,000 points. So that'd be like 900, or no, that'd be 100. Yeah, it'd be a lot of money, but it actually builds up really more quickly than you can believe. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. Be sure to click on the referral link below and register through there because it gives benefits for both you and me. I think it gives you 100 points and gives me 200 because I'm the one that referred it to you. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if this helped you out, and if this is going to help you in the future for making money on YouTube. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, any suggestions, anything you need to say. Just go ahead and leave in the comment section below, and be sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm on my way to 40,000 subscribers, and I have a big surprise for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.